Dima Hasao Congress leaders visit illegal stone mining site in Panimur. Minority Welfare Board urges for development of minority community in Twin Hill districts. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The two elected Congress MACs and HAC had on Thursday visited Panimur to acquaint themselves with ground situation due to the alleged illegal stone mining activities. Daniel Langthasa from Haflong constituency and Joy Singh Durong from Garampani constituency along with Dima Hasao District Congress Committee President Nirmal Langthasa and several members visited the site. The team found that a large area has been excavated to supply stones. The illegal mining area is only 500 meters away from the Panimur or Koka tourist spot. In addition to this, the area is also a sacred site for the Dimasa.
Ada Koka pa nathak chota bangke Cresar machine matang da arlong ke phur lo sonse ka panhok lo sonse da heklong lo lasi lada ka bangke da ke Panimur mate Koka da ke tourist spot mission adim lo da ke Karbi Anglong lo pen Dimaso phan pustame da ke si tourist spot lo lasi effect ka bangke Karbi Anglong honde effect lo pen etum da Dimaso phan da effect lo aphangi ponji phan si adim salam lo se lahai ka du ka be lai arlong ka panhok lang rai ka panhok tam claim lo plo dangte ituma tourist lo so development ke banji pu amangun ke hemana bangke da se jutkok pu psin ni heklong lo.
Both the members of the Autonomous Council have strongly condemned such illegal act of the miners and had urged upon both the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council to take strong measures for prevention of further demolition of the tourist site.
आज हम लोग यहाँ में पानीमुर में आया है तो थोड़ा दिन पहले देखने को मिला हम लोग को मीडिया के ज़रिए कि ये पानीमुर का वाटरफॉल जहाँ हम लोग अभी खड़े हैं उससे थोड़े डिस्टेंस में स्टोन माइनिंग हो रहा है, पत्थर उठा रहा है, एक्सकेवेटर यूज़ करके जेसीबी यूज़ करके डंपर में डाल के ले जा रहा है.
Linson Ronghang from Umrangso, Karbi Anglong Live. Speaking to our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent Daniel Inghi on Wednesday, Board Chairman Joy Singh Tiso had said that since 2016, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had stopped releasing funds and have also stopped taking up scheme for the development of minority communities in the district. The Minority Welfare Board was set up to take care of the religious minority section of the people in the district. Through this board, people affected by natural calamities, students from poor families and physically disabled persons were given some assistance in the past. However, according to Joy Singh Tiso, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had stopped funding the board after the 2012 and 2016 tenure of Jonathan Ingtikathar as its chairman.
Karbi Anglong Life of Fund for people, and Joy Singh Tiso, and Umchera 2020 kan si December achiklo niliphan Karbi Anglong Minority Welfare Development Board chairman nilipilo ku kedenggat penapi nilitung isi minority board ku bangthroksi member seng pulo seng lo na pen hadak chingwai sar pen Minority Board Welfare Development को अपन स्कीम में हुए सलाम लो असम top year pen CM Karbi Anglong Man People Pick CM Sara Pan Aluk Kodaidam lo itu member tu pen.
Tiso had expressed his disappointment that despite being appointed as the board, he had been unable to serve people from the minority group during any crisis owing to the lack of funds. Tiso also said that he had talked to the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong and shared his problems. He had also met CM Tuliram Ronghang and submitted a memorandum to allot fund for the board.
2016 pen ke minority ko state pen ke the airport ni tum pen nang ratik the law council long ko pima ge do da ane claim kon notin sempo da anong ko na si da pen ka pen ke.
Daniel Inghi from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. The Bokajang Press Club on Thursday called an emergency press meet at his office in Bokajang. The meeting was called to express their views over the massive corruptions taking place under the Diopani constituency. The press club had condemned the rampant corruption within Deopani constituency under the aegis of the local MEC's wife Arpita Roy Mahanta. Earlier, a reporter of the Protidian Times news channel had reported on the incomplete works done by Arpita Roy Mahanta, after which the wife of the elected representative filed a case at the Bokajan police station against the reporter Akash Jyoti Kakoti. In the FIR, the reporter had been accused of forcibly dragging the MEC's wife into the corruption case without any evidence. He had also been accused of having link with Nagaland-based anti-social groups.
এটা বাতৰি লৈ আমাৰ সতীৰ্থ সাংবাদিক প্ৰতিদিন টাইমৰ আকাশমুখী কাকতিৰ ওপৰত এটা গোচৰ ৰুজু কৰিছে আৰু সেই সংক্ৰান্ততে আমি কিছু সময় পূৰ্বে আমাৰ কাৰ্যকৰী সভাত আমি কিছু সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ আৰু সেই সিদ্ধান্তৰ মৰ্মে আমি আপোনালোকৰ আগত এই সিদ্ধান্ত হ'ল তাক আমি প্ৰেছ বিবৃতি আকাৰে আপোনালোকৰ আগত জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ।
The meeting was attended BPC President Prakash Gogoi, Secretary Anand Terang, Rubul Dhingia, Vice President Ranjit Bora, and other members. The journalist groups have vehemently condemned the action of MEC Mukut Mahantas and had urged the authority for a proper investigation on the matter. Anand Terang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Fear and sensation gripped the district headquarters of West Karbi Anglong, Hamren, when fire broke out at a Hamren Lumta Agency petrol pump in the town. The incident took place on Thursday evening at around 3:30 p.m. when the fuel station was still operational. Eyewitnesses told reporters that the owner and staffs were all present at the pump when the fire broke out. So far, the causes of the accident have not been ascertained, but the owner had suffered a considerably heavy loss at this crisis period. The firefighters were immediately informed of the incident and reached the spot in time and managed to douse the blaze from spreading towards the main oil tank.
কেইটা বজাত
345 মান আছে
ভিতৰত কোনে কোনে আছে
ভিতৰত মালিক বহি আছে মেন মালিক বহি আছে
মেইন মালিক মানে কোনে হয় জনাথান কি কথা
346 আমি খবৰ পাই মানে আমি এক সেকেন্ডতে ওলাই আহিলোঁ আৰু উচি ছাৰ মানে খবৰ দিয়াৰ লগে লগে আমি মানে ৰেডি হৈ ফটকৈ মানে গাড়ী ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰি আহি পালোঁ আৰু আমি আহি জুই মানে ধোঁৱা ডাঙৰকৈ দেখি আছিলোঁ তাতো জুই চাৰিপিনে জুই লাগি আছিলে তাতো আমি এতিয়া নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ কৰিব পৰা হ'লোঁ।
At least 2 employees of the petrol pump, including the manager and his staff, had sustained injury in the fire accident. The injured persons were immediately rushed to the nearest health center for treatment. Their conditions were reported to be stable at the time filing this report. Daniel Inghi from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.